mogo. So you can find a cassava, a piece of cassava anywhere. So from having one, so we are in the forest as in the forest.
Obwaguuga bw'ekibira kinene ekya Ruboni kiteeberezebwa okuba nga kitudde ku yiika eziwerako ddala 10 kirambirira. Omulabi waffe ali eyo asobola okuba nga yeebuuza lwaki abatuuze basalawo ne basimba ekibira kinene ekya Ruboni Forest.
Ekkula ly'Afrika bwakedde tweyagalira eno bbona kibalumira eri abatafuna kwebyo birungi Uganda byerina.
Bwe twetegereza ssemazinga wa Afrika, emikolo mingi nnyo gyagendanga ne gikolebwa mu ngeri ey'obuwangwa era ng'okusimba emiti gwe gwali ogumu ku mikolo egyo. Wano abatuuze abawangayiranga mu bifo eby'enjawulo baavangayo ne bagatta emikono ne basobola okuba nga basimba emiti okuba nga bakuuma obutonde.
My name is Felix Kamara. I am the founder and coordinator for Ruboni Tourism Village. Ruboni Tourism Village is a destination in the Rwenzori foothills. It is located at the Central Circuit Gate of Rwenzori Mountains National Park. The tourism village is a combination or a consolidation of different tourism activities which include lodges, village tours, Rwenzori trekking activities, and other features that tourists come to see when they want to experience Rwenzori. So it is a brand that is used to enhance the visitation of the Rwenzori mountains, especially to the visitors who come to Western Uganda, so that they can be able to experience the local culture of the Rwenzori mountains in one consolidated place. The village is inspired by the need for conservation of the natural resources and developing the local community around Rwenzori Mountains National Park as a way to enhance sustainability. The old idea of Ruboni Tourism Village started mainly because there was a crisis of lack of the decreasing natural resources, the increasing population, the lowering land productivity due to climate change. So the community came together to try to see how they can generate livelihoods out of tourism, so that the natural resources can be freed from the subsistence existence of the local communities. Thank you very much.
So the community has how many people, and what do they do generally?
This community has about 1,000 people, and the people who live in this community are basically farmers who grow seasonal crops, and as another source of income they use tourism. But tourism being seasonal, it is not the main source of income. So because of the seasonality of tourism and the lowering land output, the farmers tend to encroach on the natural resources to survive. So using tourism as an alternative source of revenue helps the farmers to understand why they should conserve the natural resources when they get direct benefit from the tourists, as they earn the income from the tours, the activities, the sale of handcrafts, the sale of food, and employment in the lodges.
Tweyagalira eno bbona kibalumira eri abatafuna kwebyo birungi Uganda byerina. Kwagala nnyo Uganda. Saabasaliza abaana mwerorere ebibira ennyanja n'emigga. Saabasaliza abaana mwerorere ebinyonyi ebirungi mu bbanga. Saabasaliza abaana mwerorere obusika bwaffe bwanjawulo. Saabasaliza abaana mwerorere.
Come at the entrance of the forest. This is the forest that covers over 100 acres of land. And this forest was donated by RCCCDP, which is Ruvoni Community Conservation Development Program. It's a land that was put for tourism activities and for medicine collection. You know, in 1991, Rwenzori Mountains National Park was gazetted as a national park. And with the locals here, we are using to collect the herbs from our local forests or local mountains. And it was very hard for someone to go and enter within the national park without paying entrance fee and without giving permission. And it took a lot of time to allow you go and collect medicine from the national park. You would first write a requisition letter to go and collect medicine. You reach at the main gate. Having reached the main gate, they send the letter to Rwakingi. You reach in Rwakingi, they send to Katunguru. When they reach to Katunguru, they send to Kampala, to the main headquarters. Until the officer in Kampala agrees that you should go and collect medicine, they again send the letter back to Katunguru. From Katunguru again to Rwakingi. From Rwakingi again to the main gate. Whereby the sickness of someone couldn't be waiting for you. So Ruvoni community came up with a mind to make a restoration land here where people can come and collect herb. You are given a guide, then you come and collect medicine within just hours. So another thing, this forest was put for study purposes, like children who come for tours to stand on plants and other animals, whereby they cannot afford the money to enter the national park. So they come here for tourism activities. So the forest we are going to, it is a circuit loop that can take us 2 hours within the forest here. Then again, we descend down. Yeah. So, and you're seeing here, it is cleared. We are planting more trees that are endangered, and that people that can tamper with normally. So that's why we are also planting more trees, so that also the forest still can be more thick.
Kwagala nnyo Uganda.